FX Nation, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. And in this video guys, if you're looking to trade Forex in the US, it's important obviously to choose a reputable and regulated broker to ensure that you have a safe and secure trading experience. Now in this video, we're going to be discussing the top Forex brokers in the US that are regulated by the NFA, the National Futures Association, and the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, which is the CFTC. So of course guys, when it comes to the Forex market, it is the largest and most liquid financial market in the world, with an average daily trading volume of over $6 trillion. It offers obviously a wide range of trading instruments, including currency pairs, commodities, and indices. And of course, most of that market is through your Forex broker. However, not all Forex brokers are created equal. It's important to choose a broker that is regulated by a reputable organization such as the NFA and the CFTC to ensure that your funds and personal information are protected. So in this video, we'll be taking a closer look at these regulatory bodies and the top Forex brokers that are regulated by them right here in the US. So I know most of my audience is in the US. So guys, please watch this video throughout. You're going to learn a lot about Forex brokers and regulators. Most importantly, guys, we all know what's going on right now in the crypto market with FTX and everything like that. This is why I'm doing this video. I need everybody to make sure that you are informed about what's going on and how you yourself can keep yourself protected. Most importantly, your capital. Because to us, capital is everything. If you don't have capital, you cannot trade. All right, so U.S. brokers and regulators. So obviously, the NFA and the CFTC are the two main regulatory bodies for Forex brokers in the U.S. So very important that any broker that you choose, guys, and we're very limited, obviously, to the brokers that we can choose if you live in the U.S. So I'm going to share with you the best brokers that you can have an account with that are regulated and obviously are the best within the U.S. itself to keep your capital safe. Now, the NFA is a self-regulatory organization that oversees the conduct of futures, options, and Forex brokers. The CFTC is an independent agency of the federal government that regulates the conduct of futures options markets, including the Forex market. Both organizations, the NFA and the CFTC, have strict rules and regulations in place to ensure that Forex brokers operate in a fair and transparent and accountable manner. Of course, Forex brokers in the US are required to register with both organizations and to maintain certain financial and operational standards. Some of the top brokers in the US. Okay, here are the best ones that I found so far. The best brokers that we can talk about for us trading in the US, all US based brokers are limited to 50-to-1 leverage. Okay, so keep that in mind. Now, me personally, when I talk about leverage itself, I think the more leverage that you have honestly puts you at a huge disadvantage because it obviously makes you trade more. Okay, and it could make you overtrade your account. So me personally, guys, 50-to-1 is perfectly fine. All right, there's nothing wrong with 50-to-1. I think that's enough leverage. And it forces you guys, it actually keeps you under control because it won't let you over leverage your account. So I like this, huge important when it comes to Forex brokers in the US. All of the brokers that I'm going to list here, all of them make their money via commission fees for each trade and also spreads. Okay, that's how they make their money. They don't care whether you buy or sell. All their money is made via commission fees per every trade and also for providing you the spread. So the first one is pretty obvious. It's Oanda. All right, Oanda is a global Forex broker that offers a wide range of trading instruments, including currency pairs, commodities, and indices. They have a user-friendly trading platform and offer competitive spreads and a range of account types to suit different traders' needs. Second one is obviously Forex.com. Forex.com is probably one of the leading Forex brokers that offers a wide range, again, of instruments when it comes to the currency market. They have also a user-friendly platform and offer competitive spreads and ranges and account types to suit all different traders' needs. Same thing as Oanda. Oanda and Forex.com are pretty kind of even with each other. They're very, commonly used in the US. Your money would be safe with either one of these brokers. Third one is IG.US. There is obviously just an IG, but that's more of international. They have a specific US version of IG, which is IG.US. Obviously, they are also a global Forex broker, and they do the same thing. User-friendly platforms, apps are user-friendly. So they all three offer pretty much the same amount of trading. Now, when it comes to like extra tools, here's where I think, these three become kind of one is better than the other. IG is just literally, for me, I think it's just a straight up broker. Doesn't offer a lot of, tools and stuff for analysis or anything like that. So if you just want a straight broker that, just trade off of and things like that, then IG.US will be fine. Oanda and Forex.com, they both offer different types of tools for analysis and things of that nature. Also, one of the two, the advantages that Oanda and Forex.com have over IG is the fact that you can trade off of TradingView with Oanda or Forex.com. So if you use TradingView for your chart package, you can trade directly off TradingView if you have an Oanda trading account or Forex.com account. So that's a huge advantage for them. Interactive Brokers, probably one of the oldest brokers in the US. Same thing, guys. They offer a wide range of different products, and also they also have a user-friendly platform, competitive spreads, and a range, again, of different account types to suit different traders' needs. And the last one here is TD Ameritrade. Okay, TD Ameritrade, obviously TD Ameritrade is a bank. For the most part, they also have a trading platform specifically for Forex itself. So those right there are my top 5 brokers that if I had to put my money on, that I know my capital would be safe at, one of these 5 would be the ones that I would use to actually trade. Okay, I personally have accounts with Oanda and IG, different account types, but I know no matter what that my funds are actually safe in those particular accounts. Okay, so obviously choosing a reputable and regulated Forex broker is essential for a safe and secure trading experience. In the US, the NFA and CFTC are the main regulated bodies for Forex brokers. Remember to always do your own research and due diligence when selecting a Forex broker, and don't be afraid to ask questions and seek advice from more experienced traders. Look for the brokers that are transparent about their fees, spreads, offer a range, trading instruments, analysis tools, and have a user-friendly platform. Please remember, guys, that in addition to choosing a regulated broker, it's also important to have a good understanding of the Forex market and to develop a solid trading strategy. This can help you make informed decisions and manage risk effectively. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any further questions or you would like to learn more about Forex trading, be sure to check out our Trading with Market Makers playlist. And please leave a comment below. Make sure to like this particular video, guys, and we will see you in the next one. Hey guys, what's up? Just wanted to make a quick video. If you've ever thought about joining our mentoring program, this is the time to do it. We have decided to extend out the sale through December 31st. So you get a whole nother month to be able to get in on this masterclass at 50% off of the entire mentorship program. All right, this will never happen again. So this is the time. If you've always wanted to join the mentoring program, which is a lifetime membership, this would be the time. The links are in the video description, guys. I hope to see you in the mentoring program.